Hi, 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 welcome back. So, so I think I'm on live. So, without any delay, let's start our live with a good note that we are going to uh, we are going to complete some of the basic topics in this live. So let's make some of the good useful of this live. Okay, this live is because of a JavaScript practice session of we you will get a good knowledge in different topics like variables, functions, arrays. So all these topics want to be completed. So let's hope for the best. So without any delay, let's start our live session. Okay, so I will discuss what are the things we are discussing in this live session. Then after that, I will make sure to share my screen. So we are discussing about variables and data types, operators, so loops, arrays, so functions. Let's hope for that. So if possible, in next live session we will go to the DOM, document object model. So after that, we events, DOM events, and so let's make this session useful. So hope that. So I'm going to share my screen. I will share my entire screen. So let's check my. Okay, okay, we are live. So I think my screen is visible to you all. So let's start our let's start with the data types and operators. So I will tell that. Okay. So first of all, the basic thing I should teach you that the basic printing line of the is we use it for in JavaScript is like in Java. In Java, we use a system.println. So for that to printing any basic of literals which are direct values inside into our output. So we use console.log for printing our statements or any strings or operate any values. Use console.log. So this will be executed. So this will be executed in so hello world. Okay. So I'm printing in the basic program which everyone knows hello world in JavaScript. So okay, we should do in script. Okay. So log is used to print any message in the console. So we use the console.log hello world. So let's see what happens now. CG. Okay. Okay. This is my a.html file which I executed. So let's check the console. Let's inspect here. So let's go to the console. So wow, it's not entered. Okay. So again, I saved the file. So here you can see that hello world print hello world is printed. Okay, let's see. This is the main simple thing you want to first to know about how to print anything. So okay, console dot hello world. So here also in console also. So here you can print anything. So okay. This is undefined. It's showing a two value, printing two value. So ignore the undefined, but we can print anything. So console.log 2 plus 3, it's a 5. So okay, so printing anything. So we are which we are giving in the console. So we can define anything. So okay, which here means giving the value of the 2 plus 3 by using the console.log. So this is a printing line which used in JavaScript. Okay. uh, Hope console.log. See. Okay. This is the exceptions which we are defining. So we here we did not give any value, so it was not printing any value. Here we given the space between, means we given two double quotes which given the at the empty space. Okay, so we can print with single quotes also. Love JavaScript. Okay, so this is the our first program which we are defining in the, so which want to any printing statements. We use console.log hello world. Okay, so here the basically which I done. So shift one, so it gives not mark. So not mark, this will be then I defined I define the script tags inside the body tag, which use it to run the script JavaScript code. Okay, so script. So hope you understand my English. That makes me more interactive with you. Okay, so let's hope that. Okay, so here the we used a .html file to save that file. So we used to code in JavaScript code into in some ways. So we use inline. So in HTML only we can define the script code. So from there we can give console.html and other programs. I will explain you slow step by step. Okay, so this is how we can okay, hello world we can define inside the script tag. So from there we can print any log value. After that we can create a new file. So new file save as. Okay, save as okay. So we given the not to give as a plain text. We use a JavaScript file. Okay, we can give directly here. So console.log HTML. Okay, so I don't much start with. Uh, okay, so I want to explain and give validate information about you. So I will code first. After that, I will explain that because as I am a fresher, I can't able to more. Explain you in English. I was also improving that. Hope you understand. My communication is very low. Please understand what I am teaching. So okay, so this is a JavaScript. We focus on JavaScript only. So no matter what comes, okay, JavaScript practice session. So we given a title as a JavaScript practice session. So here, so I want to. So So I want to link with the link tag. So we use link tag to uh, connect with the JavaScript file with HTML. So okay, so that JavaScript. Let's see. Hope it will connecting with both. Yes, it was not connected. So hope I given a wrong statement for the link tag. So so we given the JavaScript dot JavaScript file. Okay. Let's see one second. So I given a console.log HTML. We I not save it here. So I think that will be a problem for that. So okay. Okay. So it was linked with the JavaScript file. We want to make sure to connect with the okay. Let's see. So okay. Sorry for that. So to link any CSS file, we use I think uh, tag. So but we want to link any script file, we uh, use a script src. So by that we can link with that. So sorry, my fault. So let's see what happens. So so here it was executing. So hello world and HTML. So first of all, it executing the hello world, and after that HTML. So here defining that JavaScript dot one first line. It will be hey dot HTML10. So it makes printing that. Okay, let's see. Okay, so I explained to you what are the printing statements, console.log, how to print in default HTML web page. After that, I told you how to link with the JavaScript file, which I defined. After that, how to give directly, how to code that in JavaScript. Let's see more by that. Okay, so let's define the. Let's come to the variables. Sorry for the file. Okay, so I will code in this file only. So okay, so we use three defining names. So okay, let so const so and constant. So where, so these are the three variable names. So defining names with to okay. So I will tell you simply. So let where const where are defining as a data type name. So data type name which given in a Java. We let's take the Java. So there int byte short, so long, boolean, all are the data type names which define. But in JavaScript, there are three data types only, three data type name only. So let discuss these three data type names. Okay. So after that, we will discuss with the variables. So variable is a memory block which stores certain data value. Okay. So variable will be declared and initialized now. So let a equal to 15. So a is a variable which storing the data of a 15 value inside the value. So I will print console.log a. Okay, let's see what will happens. So the it is printing a 15. So okay, so a equal to 20. Okay, it was I am redeclaring the variable of a. So 20. It was showing that 20. So okay, a equal to 30. So it was printing that 30. So I can tell you that the JavaScript is a loosely typed language. So it will take the last line which was defining. So if so okay, if the last line is a equal to 30, so it was a printing a equal to 30. After that, so we will take another variable type, the other data type, var equal to a equal to 20. Okay, it is a redeclare. So I am reinitializing. So it was taking the value error. So we don't want to redeclare in that. So if okay, so it will throw an error when we are de-initializing. So reinitializing. Okay, so you understand what I am saying that okay, what the meaning that okay, let b equal to 20. So b equal to 25. So it also giving that b equal to 25. Let's see, let b equal to 30. So you can see that see here. So var b equal to 20, but after redeclaring that here it was taking the value and there was no error. Okay, you can see that. So okay, const a equal to 20. So you can see here that const is throwing the error for 12 and a. Okay, c. Okay, first of all, we check B. So it was not giving any error. So we will take a C. Okay, let C equal to 25. Okay, so here you can I will explain that let, where, and const with these examples. So first of all, here I taken a let where. Here the first of all the when the initial ECMAScript was released, there var data type was there. So we can when we taken any var data type to declare any variable, then so we can redeclare we can reinitialize so that value toward toward the script. But when we are taking any like that, it will be give throws an error. It should be not like that. So when you are taking any password to declare, so then you want to keep it private. So yeah, you don't use var data type now a time. So in 2019, for a new version of JavaScript, let and const data types are released. So by them we cannot reinitialize the variables. So with the C, so here you can see, so in let you can redeclare the values, so redeclare the values, but in const you cannot redeclare the values also. C equal to, so 25. Okay, so so sorry, so it was also not throwing an error. So let's see, so what will be the outputs of the three. Okay, so here you can see, okay, B has already been declared. Okay, it was throwing an error. So C. So okay. So here you can see that. One second, I will show you what is going on. So before the let and before the let and constant was released, there was a var. So var was used. So here you can see, so var uh, one value can be redeclared many times. So it makes a which one, which variables to take that. It can't understand by the JavaScript. So as a JavaScript is a loosely typed language, so it will take at last line which was declared. So var b equal to 35, but we also want a var b equal to 30. It will be throw an error. So here you can see, uh, so assignment to constant variable. So we are changing. I already said that we can't change the value of c where c. So it was a constant uh, throughout the JavaScript. So here you can see that a equal to 30 and b equal to 35 last printed, and c equal to 20. So which we have. Okay, so I will once again I can finally tell that. So var is defined previously in a old version. So when we are declaring any variable with the same name also, it will take. So it makes the security problem. So that makes it is a loosely typed language of JavaScript. So that makes one disadvantage in JavaScript. After the ECMAScript was after the w- new version of JavaScript was released, then they given that let and const variables. Let can be declared, but const is throughout the programming language, toward the program. It was the same, so we can't change. So here you already is seen that 25. So you already seen that one error was throwing there. So assignment to constant variable, uncut error. So okay. after 20th line which I am declared. So you understand the three data types which here we declared and what are they. Okay. Hmm. Okay, let's go to other topics like operators. With there, we can understand what are the operators. Operator is a predefined symbol which used to make certain task and operands. This is a general, simple, uh, definition which I can say for you. So let's see. Okay, let's see these topics more. Okay. Okay, so before going to that variable operators only, so let's discuss some of these topics only more, so you can understand that. Okay, price equal to, so I will remove all this. Oh, okay, I will keep this so you can understand. So full name. So these are the variables. Okay. So how to store the string. Okay. I will write first. After you can understand that what. Okay. So I will print all this. You can understand what. After that, I can explain to you what are the what we are. What is this? So what type of data types we are here there here. So okay. So okay. So so let's print all this. So here you can I can explain that. So after that, so after that it was there age as JavaScript is a dynamic language. We don't want to initialize that let var const int or float which type of data you are storing. So So, when you are defining the full name, same it was a string. In other languages like a JavaScript, Java, like a Python, there you will declare that string data type. So which I want to tell that JVM we are storing a string value. So here JavaScript is a uh, dynamic programming language. We don't want to tell that a Java print a Java. This is a string. This is a float. This is a boolean. This is a null undefined. Okay, so we don't want to make more stress on that. So JavaScript compiler, JavaScript interpreter will take more stress to print that. Okay, don't worry. So I will let's see what will be the output of this. So so here you can say, I can tell you that. So from shame, so okay, I will declare console.log. I'm taking the boundary between the between this, so you can understand that the this both are different topics. Okay, so here I'm printing that shame full name it was printed. So after that, the age, the undefined, null, false, HTML. So here I'd given undefined. Undefined means we did not given any value for that, but it was there. Some value is there. So and we m value we did not given any we did not define any value, so it was taking that undefined. Okay, so when there is nothing is there, so it will give a null value. Okay, let's okay, let's see like that. So why console dot log y. So let's see the what will be the output for that. It was a printing null. Okay, it was printing null. So okay, you can see that we are not given any value for that, so it was null. Okay, so you can see that I'm giving a undefined value as a I am not given any value, so y equal to null. Here it was printed. So we will discuss undefined more clearly. So after discussing some of few topics in this. Okay, 1 second, 1 second. uh, Hope the all was going right. So I'm checking my live. It was good. So I want to reply that Shanmur, Shanmur Jahan Sheikh. Hi bro, hi. So hope you like the video. So let's make. So I'm also making. Okay, okay. Sorry for the. I'm checking the live. So how it was going. So there was no problem. So hope you all getting much much knowledge on this Java. So let's see. Okay, so here we defined all the types of the data types of which here. string, integer, and undefined null, and float values, and boolean. So here it is a false. So it was declaring that a false. So if we given here true, so it will return the true value. Okay, so now I will give the clarity about that, what is the null and undefined. So with in undefined, so we don't know what is really defined. So like that, if you given anything like full name equal to without strings, it will not declare that what is there inside the full name. So it will return undefined. Okay. So here you can see that. So it was the interpreter don't know what is inside the full name, so it will declare that it was undefined. Okay. These are some of the few things I want to discuss with you. So I think you understand. So uh, what are the next topics you want to discuss? We discussed the data variable. Discussed the data type values. Okay, which data types are there. So okay. So I given what is JavaScript. JavaScript is a loosely typed language which is used to make a functionality in HTML. We defined how to print hello world, anything, the literals. Okay. Uh, this is a dynamically typed language which can take the without a data types names. So here I explained what is let, where, and const. So what is the main functionalities of these. Okay. uh, okay. uh, let's see. Okay, let's say another thing which I can say you. So I can discuss with you one of the most another important. So when you want to check both are equal values, what you will take? It will be take with a equal to b, so it will return a true value. So we use a triple equal to. Let make some fun that. Okay, I declare okay, without letter we can take a equal to 45. Okay, b equal to true. Okay, let's see a equal to b. You will know your assumption will be it will be false. Okay, so here it was declaring false. Okay, so now 45.5, it was giving the false. Okay, it was giving true value. So I will declare that with inside the strings. So we did not given that b is a string type. So okay, let's see what will happen. It declaring the true value only. Okay, so when you given a double equal to, so you want they will check only the value of value equal to. Okay, so okay, now you can see that there is a false value. So here we use a double equal to for checking the values of a two variables, so which we declare inside a and b. So now the triple equal to of after checking the values are equal to or not, after that it will check the data types which are given. Okay, so this is the main thing. To tell that JavaScript is a loosely typed language. Okay, let's discuss the rules of the variable. So which how to give. So it will be variable should be, so I'm giving a, you should not give the a b c d, because I'm giving here, because to tell that, to explain that, so so I'm here to tell that the some of the few tools we want to take that to describe the variable name. So the variable name should be case sensitive. The JavaScript is case sensitive, so it will detect with different names. Let's see. And here, okay, here you can see that the script name, both are script names. So script name equal to 45, script name equal to 35. So I am printing here with a different changing the case sensitive. So JavaScript is a case sensitive language. Okay, it will case sensitive language. It will check the uh, uppercase and lowercase values. So by that I can change the value names. Should give uh, the name as with a certain rules. So we should not start with letters. So let's see. We should not start with our numbers. Let's see that. Okay, go to 36. So see, I started with a file, 5 number. So giving the error that, so 5. So it giving the error of 5. So it giving the error because the variable should not start with the 5. So we don't want to give like that. So these are the basic rules for every language. You should use that for Java, Python, for Python also, for good programming language. So there are we can use special characters like underscore, so and dollar symbol, script. Okay, script equal to 35. So here console.log. One second, one second. So I've forgotten where is the dollar symbol. So it will be more used in password type variable name. So then you can use this. So it will be confusing. So by using this, okay, here given the, okay, the value of a script also. So we cannot use. Let's I will, okay. Mm. These are the few rules we want to use. We want to use to declare the variable name. So I have given a B C D. So these are the we these we can use, but we should use we should use as a software programmer. So we use basic rules to declare the script name, any variable name. Then you can make a better website. So here I can understand what is a script name. So what is a script? So a value. What is a value? Do you know a value? So calling a value, what? So okay. So you designed a website. You put it in. You put on GitHub. So some random guy came and taken that website and saw the code. Then what is a value? Just random value. So you will tell that no, bro, it was a very important value. I store password will be in a. What? Will say that like that. You want to give specific variable rules for to uh, declare the variable names and method names also, which we are in JavaScript. Any language it can be. We can use like that. Okay. So from here, from till now, so uh, from till now you can understand what is the uh, discussed topics, I think. Hmm, let's check what are the. Okay, let's discuss. Okay, up to now you understand what are the different uh, types which used here. Okay, it's good here. So let's discuss. I want to work on my communication, I think so. I started my this YouTube channel. Let's hope it will help me to crack my interview. I will post my personal works in another YouTube channel, which will be my personal YouTube channel. There I can share which interview I went, how the experience I went to the Iron Idea. So Iron is Iron Idea is a company where I I went for the data uh, for chart operations engineering. So it is a technical role. Okay, you can understand like that. So for that I uh, I rejected for a communication round. So she asked for what are your weaknesses. So I did not make much more interactive with her. So she rejected it there only. She told that it was not your piece of cake. So I came back. Hope this YouTube channel makes me more interactive with you and makes some connection with you all guys. Okay. Let's see uh, type of the data types which so I'm given here let var char let var const. Okay, so but there will be some of the data types will be there, and these data types will be helpful for telling that what data types we are using. Okay, so I will give here let price equal to so 100. So I went to a shop. So the name of the name of the name of the child is Sajam with 100 rupees. Okay, so let he want chocolate. Okay, he want a chocolate. So with the which is cost of 250 paisa. Okay, so these are small story. A child Sajam was went to the went to the shop which have okay, price not pocket money. Okay, let's see. Okay, these are I given the pocket money of 100 and a child is Saja. Let's see what is console.log type of type of pocket money. Okay, let let the shop. Okay, shop is null. It was closed. Okay, let another shop was there. I don't know name. Shop one. I don't know name. Okay. Let's see this. What is the output? Okay. I will explain what is going on, what is going on, what is going on. Here you can see one child with a pocket money of 100 went to the shop. The shop child name was a Sajam, so with the chocolate price is a 200.50 to borrow with the shop vendor. Please give me for the 100. So the shop was null; it was not there. So let another shop one. I don't know what is the value, what is the name of shop. Okay, so I defined here. So let's see. The first of all, I printed the pocket money. It was a number. So number type. I printed the child name. It was a string. So sorry for that. I given. Uh, okay, let's print again. It was also number. So I want to say that so every type of number it will be number only. So int, float, long, anything you given. So it will be number only. So after that, the null objects will be the null will be objects. The type of that is an object. So if we did not given anything, it will be given as a undefined. So undefined is a shop one, which I don't know the name of the shop. So here you can get a idea of what is that undefined. Okay, let's see another data types. Let x equal to begin. So I'm explicitly giving the name as a begin. Hello. So it is a special symbol. I can say you any symbols want you. Let's see. Oof. Cannot access why before initialization. Why? Okay. So why is declared so before only? So I can't access it. So let's take symbol name only. So here you can see that I did not use given any console dot org to print any x value or a symbol value to print that, but it was giving the error of that. So it was reinitialized again. So you want to go through like that. Some of the mistakes you want to check. So if possible, okay. So here you can see with a big int and symbol data types. Okay, so there are two types of data types. It will be a primitive data type and a non-primitive data type. So these are all primitive data types which differ in the previously defined. But there are a non-prefined data types. It will be that classes and objects and arrays. So these are predefined, but they are all non-primitive. Okay, so user-defined data types also called as a non-primitive data types. Okay, you understand what is data type. Data type is a type of data which you are using, you are stored in a variable. So these are the main data primitive data primitive predefined data types. So integer, null, user defined, begin to symbol, and so string. So these are these okay. Okay, so non-primitive data types are the objects, arrays, and user-defined data types. Let's discuss all this in upcoming. So which we are making this another part for that. Okay, I hope you got some of the knowledge from this. So here we discussed all this. What is I don't want to tell again what we had discussed. I think you got some knowledge from this. Okay, so no one is seeing. Let's okay. So the next topic which we are going to explore is it is operators. Okay, these are the okay. So before going to operators, I want to uh, give some knowledge on objects, which object is a real world entity. So which use it to give some of the real world entity which have properties and methods. So I will give const as a student class. Okay, so I will given as a key value pair. Okay, student will have the name as Saja. Okay, so now I'm giving the it was messing with me. Okay, so the students will have a certain properties like a name, age, age. So it will be a CGPA. How much got? I'm very worst fellow. I got a 7 CGPA only, but so by that only I'm still with unemployed. So let's see what happens. Okay. Okay. So I declare here. So I will pass the values. So it was not printing anytime. So anything. So hope. Okay. Console dot log student. So you can see here the name Sajam. So the name Sajam, age, CGPA, the it was an object type. So okay, there is a true okay, pass or not. Okay. Hmm. Okay. Uh, these are so this is a const we given because we can't change the string value. Okay, we give an object. Okay, these are all printed in as a key value pairs. I think you understand what I'm want to deliver. So, so student is a object which have a key value pairs I stored in that. So, so in upcoming lectures, you can upcoming videos, you can understand what is what. So, but now, so let's discuss. Okay, I will student dot age 20 student dot student dot is pass student dot is pass. Okay, is true. It was a here we can use a student object name dot age to declare the what are the values inside the our class. Okay, so we can't give with another names. So student one dot age, it will throw an error. Okay, it was not given. You can give any number of okay, you can give any number of objects you can create. Guys. I think you understand. So I will give one time, another time, what is going on. So I created one object. What is that? As a const where because we don't want to de-initialize the object name. So student with some of the properties with that student have a name, so age, a CGPA is passed. Okay, by that with using a object name we can access these key values. Okay, so you can ask me that okay, so here you can say that. So I given me values. So I want to access each and every means I want to access some values here. So it will print last values only, but I want to access I given okay, let's take a Facebook have a different features like uh, features like name, username, password, likes, followers, number of members following, number of likes, number of posts. So all these are as a big list. So you want when you want to access, you want to print everything, means console dot number of likes, console dot number of things. You don't want to see like that. So when you are declared in Instagram class, Instagram object, then you can access that. Okay, Instagram dot number of followers. Then you can print that. So here by using loops and other things, we can add number of followers when every object was created created. So we will see here and when I say these topics without any proper explanation, you also confused, I also confused how to deliver to it. I want to give perfect, I want to learn perfect. Okay, so let's see. Up to this we got we completed some topics. No, student student 2 name equal to, so happy word. So here you can see that we changed it. So here we given a constant as we can't change the constant class. I only said that we can't change, but here we redeclared the so student to name value equal to happy boy. So it was declared also. So if you given without object name, it will print an error. So a name equal to Sajam, const name equal to Sajam, and they redeclared it. It will give error. I also told you. So, but when you are using any object, so it can be changes only to object value. Okay, So inside the object value, okay, you can understand this also. So you can declare only the keys inside the object. So you can't declare the direct values. Okay, so you got a got clarification on that. Okay, so what I miss, anything? Okay. I want to give a simple note to tell that. So you want to change any object. You want to change directly any object. You do the entire object will be disturbed. So t declared when there can be okay. Uh, when you given uh, let x equal to null, it was an object. It was given object. Here it is also giving an object. Okay. The object when given given const, okay, const, then we can't change that value, where the value which inside the object, the key value pairs will be changed. So okay, I hope you understand. So let's see. So the explanation will be more difficult for me also, how to tell. This is my first video to first not first video in JavaScript. So okay, so generally I want to tell that directly const value can't be changed, but the inside the object inside the object the variables can be changed. Okay, this is the thing I want to tell you. Okay, don't worry. Mm. So now, so we will stop this live. So in next live, we can discuss about operators, loops. Okay, operators, loops, functions, arrays. So next live. So just wait for that live. Uh, thank you. If anyone's seen this live, please share, like, and anything. Okay. Let's hope the video is useful for you and me also. Thank you. Thank you. Bye guys. Bye. So I will meet you on next live. Okay. Bye. Bye guys. Thank you. If anyone's seen this live, thank you. Start sharing. I will ending the. Uh, okay. Bye.